What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's video, I just wanted to jump on here and wish you guys all a happy new year. Hopefully everybody had a fun, safe night last night. Nobody did anything stupid or made a decision that they regret. If you did make a decision that you regret, you're probably not watching this video right now, or you're watching it like months down the road. If that is the scenario for you, let's make some better decisions in 2025. But 2024 has been by far the craziest year that I've had on YouTube. It is December 28th right now when I'm filming this, so there's still a couple days left in the year, but the numbers have been absolutely crazy compared to my past few years on YouTube. I started making videos, I think it was April of 2021. So we're at like 3.5 years now. And this past year has done so much better than any other year. I did not see this spike in all around like views, subscribers, everything. I did not see this spike coming this year, but I am super grateful for it. And hopefully this trend continues. For 2025, I have some pretty serious goals. One of them being I want to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. I know numbers don't really matter, and I'm not doing this for numbers. I actually truly love making content of what I do at work. I bring my camera with me every single day. And my personal favorite part about it is that I have basically a free memory card on YouTube of everything that I've done for the past, now it's like 4 years almost. So that's the way I look at it. YouTube is basically free storage for me. I make a video, put it on YouTube, delete all the raw footage, and then I just have that left. And whenever I want, I can go back and look at it. And obviously, you guys seem to enjoy mostly the snow removal stuff. If you don't know, we do construction year-round as well, but the construction stuff does not seem to do nearly as well as the snow removal stuff. I don't know if that's the algorithm pushing the snow removal stuff versus the construction stuff or what it is, but I do have a ton of content recorded and coming out. I'm already like 2 or 2.5 weeks ahead from when I post to, or when I record to when I post. So I have a ton of content coming, and I'm planning to push the snow removal stuff into the spring and potentially into the beginning of the summer if we can get that far ahead on content. I want to really dive into the stuff that you guys enjoy, which also in return helps my channel grow as well. Hopefully the construction stuff will take off as well. The construction is equally as important in my life, the business's life, and all around for what we do. We can't do what we do in the winter without doing what we do in the summer. The construction is full year, 365 days. We have a crew doing construction all year. And then obviously in the winter, we have some pretty serious snow removal stuff going on. The snow removal stuff is not going anywhere. The construction stuff is not going anywhere. Hopefully we can combine them and grow them both equally as far as the whole YouTube world goes. But I know you guys love the snow stuff more than anything. So like I'm saying, I have so much content coming out, snow related. I'm bringing my camera with me every single day to work, and I'm making at least one video a day. Some days I'm making 2, 3, 4 videos in one day. So obviously I don't post on the weekends. If I record 4 videos in one day, now I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of uploads. And then anything that I record the rest of the week, I have now Friday, and then it gets pushed to the following week. That is how I get so far ahead on content. I used to make videos of my full day, but it would be all over the place rather than focusing on one specific thing. And I think focusing on one thing per video is kind of better in a sense. You guys get more of one thing and then it's over, and then we move on to the next thing, rather than you get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of that, and then the day's over and we're on to the next day. So that's the way I look at it. If you guys have any input, definitely leave comments down below. I'm willing to make videos however you guys like. But before we get into today's video, I just want to rip through some of my stats. So total on my channel, I have 3,881 subscribers right now. In 2024, I gained 2,233 so far. So that means like 2/3 of you subscribed this year. That is crazy to me. I did not see that spike coming at all. I'm super grateful. Hopefully this trend continues into 2025 and we can hit the 10,000 subscriber mark in 2025. As far as views go, let me get to that real quick. Total views on my channel, I have 761,000 views. In 2024, I had 469,548 views. So more than half of my views, probably close to 2/3 of my views came in this past year. So super crazy to me. I am super grateful. Hopefully 2025 is even better, but more importantly, hopefully we all have a great 2025 together. And let's get into today's video. Two more things I want to touch on real quick before we get into today's video. I am going to start posting way more on social media, well, other social medias like Instagram, TikTok, and I also just made a Snapchat. If you guys want to join me on Snapchat, I'm going to be posting some behind the scenes stuff that doesn't make it into videos, and it's going to be like real time. So you're going to see what I did today on Snapchat rather than having to wait 2 weeks or whatever it is to see that video. If you want to add me on Snapchat, it's Stoll-N-Crew, no dots or dashes or anything, just Stoll-N-Crew, all one word. Instagram and TikTok are Stoll.N.Crew. Follow me on all of those. I post, well, I don't post that much yet, but I'm starting to. And that's also one of my goals for 2025 is to be more active on other social media accounts. So there's that. And then there's been a few of you guys that have been leaving comments, you know who you are, telling me that I need to get a haircut. Who do you think you are leaving negative comments like that on my profile? I do not want you here. I do not want that negativity on my page. You can unsubscribe from my channel. You can leave. You can never come back here. I do not want to see you ever again. No, I'm just kidding. I love you guys, but the hair is going absolutely nowhere. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're starting our day at our Duchess yard. Behind me here, I have this new Terrastar that we just picked up. This is going to be our new liquid truck. It has this flatbed on it, which is pretty much perfect for what we need. We'll be able to bolt our liquid tank right on here and get this thing spraying in no time. But before we do that, there are a few minor repairs that we need to make, such as new tranny lines, brake lines, or actually a brake cable and U-bolts, stuff like that. Here, I'll climb under here and show you real quick. You can see this one brake cable is kinked there, it's kinked up there. The U-bolts are a bit rusted down here, so we're gonna do some repairs on this. The tranny lines, well, actually they're all the way up in the front. I'm not gonna crawl all the way up there, but the tranny lines are a bit rusted as well. So we called up to our international dealer and they ordered everything in for us. We just got an email this morning that it's all in. So I'm gonna hit the road right now and go grab it. Once I get back here, we'll go through everything and I'll show you. But we have about a 45-minute drive up there. It's a pretty nice drive straight up the highway and then about 10 minutes off the highway. So I'm gonna throw it on a quick little time lapse during the trip and I will see you guys when we're up there. All right, I got everything out of my truck. I'm putting it on this table in here. That way, when Matt comes to do all of the work, he can pull it in this side of the garage over here and just grab everything off the table and bring it in here rather than doing it all outside. It is freezing cold out here. It looks beautiful out, but it is actually about 30 degrees out. So we got 4 new U-bolts. This is the brake cable. These are the tranny lines. And then in here we have all of the washers, nuts. Oh, actually we got more U-bolts here. So I don't know what these short ones are for. These must be the rears. The fronts maybe are bigger. I'm not exactly sure. We got U-bolts, U-bolts, U-bolt washer, U-bolt washer, clip, adapter, deep nut. I'm not exactly sure what these long ones are for, but there's more U-bolts in here. All right, let's take a look at these. Okay, so the rears are the longer ones. I might have had that backwards before, but let's go take a look at the fronts real quick. Okay, exactly. So the fronts are the shorter ones and the rears are the longer ones. So that is all the parts for this truck. This is probably going to get done one day this week, and then once that's done, we can run it down to our main shop and get the liquid tank on it, get all of that working, and this truck will be pretty much good to go. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.